Find the value of y. When you look at this diagram, you see that you have two right angle triangles here. We have triangle ABC and triangle ACD. Y is the length of AD, and that is attached to right angle triangle A, C, and D. So how do we find the length of y? Now, whenever you have two right angle triangles and then there is a side that is common to the two right angle triangles, usually to solve your problem, you need to first of all find the length of that side that is common to the two right angle triangles. In these two right angle triangles, we have line AC. The length of side AC is common. Let's call this length X. Length of side AC is common to right angle triangle ABC and is common to right angle triangle ACD. As this is, we can't find the value of y as it is. But if we are able to get the value of x, this length of AC, then we would have a clue to be able to find the value of y. And so, our focus now has shifted to getting x first. When we find x, then we'll be able to find the value of y. Now, the question is, how do we get the value of x? So we consider triangle ABC. So I say in triangle ABC, we have an included angle. This angle is given, that's 60 degrees. That's an included angle. We have the length of side BC as 4 centimeters. And this is a right angle triangle. So you think about your trigonometric ratio. In your trigonometric ratio, you talk about the SOHCAHTOA. Now this tells us the relationship between the angles and the sides of a right angle triangle. So this means the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite over hypotenuse. The cosine of an angle is equal to the adjacent over hypotenuse. And the tangent of an angle is equal to the opposite over adjacent. So in this case here, we have an angle given to us which is 60 degrees. So where is the opposite? The opposite side to this angle 60 degrees is this side. The opposite side is that side that is facing the angle given to you, the side that is facing it. The hypotenuse side is the side facing the 90-degree sine. So this is that 90-degree sine. So the side facing it is this side. So this is the hypotenuse. And once you have identified the opposite, you've identified the hypotenuse, then the third side is the adjacent. So this is the adjacent side. We are interested in finding the value of x. X is the opposite side. The value of the adjacent is given, and that is 4 centimeters. So we'll think, what is going to link the opposite and the adjacent together? We come here and we think of this, tan. The tangent of an angle is equal to the opposite over adjacent. We're looking for the value of the opposite and we have the value of the adjacent. So we say here that tan, we have this as tan 60 degrees will be equal to the opposite, which is x over 4 centimeters. This is this over 1. When cross multiply this, x times 1 as x equals to 4 times 60 degrees. So this is x equals to 4 times 60 degrees is root 3. So we have this as root 3. And so this is our answer in centimeters. So the value of x is 4 root 3 centimeters. But remember, we are looking for the value of y. But now we already found the value of x. We can easily find the value of y. So we're going to consider the second right angle triangle, which is triangle ACD. So we say in triangle ACD, ACD, this is the angle given to us, 45 degrees. And so the side facing the angle is the opposite. So this side, AC is facing 45 degrees. So this is the opposite to this angle. This is at 90 degrees. So this is our hypotenuse side. and CD is the adjacent. That's the third side. So once you are able to identify the opposite, the hypotenuse, then automatically the third side becomes the adjacent side. So here we are looking for the value of y, and that is the hypotenuse side in triangle ACD. We are considering this angle 45 degrees that is given to us. So we say, what is going to link the opposite and the hypotenuse together? You come back to this expression that you have. Look at your sign. This means the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite over hypotenuse. So we say that sine 45 degrees will be equal to the opposite. The opposite is x, and we found x as 4 root 3 over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is y. So let's find the value of y. We cross multiply this. Y times this is y times sine 45 degrees is 1 over root 2 equals 1 times 4 root 3. We still have 4 root 3. So this is y over root 2 equals to 4 root 3 over 1. And so we have a simple fraction here. We can easily cross multiply this. So when cross multiply this, y times 1, that is y, and root 2 times 4 root 3, this is 4 root 6 centimeters, and that's the value of y. Remember, we could have substituted the value of tan 60 as 1.732, that is in decimal. We could also have substituted the value of sine 45 in decimal, but since 60 degrees and 45 degrees are special angles, so I've decided to use the appropriate values since they are special angles. Alright, so this is the value of y. Please click on the subscribe button and follow for more video.